Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to video on uh, shopping portal. You can see AliExpress, just like Amazon. This is China's biggest selling site. We'll try to cover it, how we can use it, or how you can purchase something, how you can explore, how you can evaluate products, and how to make payment, and then how you can track your order. Right, let's go to AliExpress, aliexpress.com. What they do, they different suppliers from China, they have registered here. So maybe same product, because manufacturer is normally only one. Let's say one factory is there. So multiple suppliers are buying from them. They have stores here online, and they are selling it. So you can have same product with, I mean, little bit different prices, and you can say offers, maybe different method. Let's say in the shipping they are charging differently, right? Okay, this is the website of AliExpress. You can search here your product, and you have to register here, and it's free. You can just join with your account, and since I'm already registered, so I'm already there. So let's say, for example, if I go to my orders, so next time once you will sign in, it will automatically sign in. Okay, so let's see. I will not go into this at the moment. Let me go to now AliExpress. Okay, now let's say, for example, I have to search maybe DVR. I'm just DVR and hit enter. Okay, now it will give you different products of different suppliers, right? Okay, now you have to further, if you see here, you have different options of different types of DVRs, right? Okay, let's say if I need for security camera. Okay, let me find some product over here, if I can find. Okay, let me search further security surveillance, right? Okay, now let's say, for example, here there are different options, right? Different, maybe same product you will find with different suppliers, right? Because manufacturing units are normally same, but they are buying from them and they are reselling it over here, right? So here you can see, here you can filter based on price, minimum, maximum. Then you have free shipping flag. So if you click here, the products with free shipping will show down here, and this is with stars based on the feedback from the customers who already purchased these products, and you can search based on that. And this is very important. I will share with you how we can check which product is good, and even supplier is good, because that is very important. So now free shipping, you have to be very careful what they are doing. Let's say, for example, in order to reduce price, they are putting something in the shipping. So don't think that every time you have to select free shipping. Maybe there is a $1 shipping cost. So if you will click with this one, even that product will be removed from the search. But this is important, this one, feedback, right? This always, but I will remove this free shipping, because now these companies are smart. So they are putting, in order to reduce price, they are putting something in shipping. So in search it will look like the product is cheap, but when you will add the shipping cost it will be more. Okay. Now, let us say for example, let me search this one. Okay. Now, this is the product I have just selected here, right. It is showing price, see here now price range. So, there is a price range from 27 to 39 plus. Okay. Now, down if you see here, you have to select from where you want the shipment. So, let us say for example, I am selecting China, then there is no hard disk drive, it is by default none. So, it is okay. Now, there are two options here if you see 4 channels and 8 channels. So, this price will vary based on my selection, right. So, if I will select 4 channel sorry and none. So, if you see here it is 27 and here it is 39, right. So, let me select 4 channel. Okay, now, I will move down a little bit. If you see here, this is what I was saying, see here they put it 1.66 as a shipping. So, sometimes you have to evaluate, it is not just shipping $1 or something like that, it depends on your product, and if product is bit expensive, a little bit shipping is good enough, no problem. But you have to select supplier very carefully and product as well. Now, let us say for example, here is a customer reviews. If you see here, this supplier has got, or if you see the customer reviews, our product has 5 stars 94%. So, any supplier or product having 5 stars close to 95 or 95 plus, that you should be considering that product. Otherwise, just leave it, because maybe supplier is not good enough, he don't have stock, he will delay and things like that. You don't need to take headache of that. Okay, if you see here, you can find those who already purchased and you can find their feedbacks. So, if you have this product, you can explore 2 or 3 different suppliers, you can check their pictures, how they packed, is there any major damages happening. If you see here, even if damages happen, you can claim it, but it will waste your time. There is a protection. So, normally when your post office or couriers they receive, if it was damaged, they stamp it with the damaged. So, you send the pictures to the supplier and they adjust that one. They sometimes they refund, sometimes you have to send that product back, it depends, I mean different scenarios. If you see here, now it is almost same product and here it is US 29.82, right. Here it is 27.95. Now, let me click that and we will see. Let me open another window. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Again, you have to see here, explore UK plug 4 channel. So, it is 29.82. Okay. If I will go here, this product I am getting it for 27.95 plus this 1 point, this one right. You can explore the features, check the features how it is. See here they have different options, right, audio in, audio out, things like that. And here, okay, the best way is if you can explore 3 or 4 different products suppliers, you just click add to cart, right. So, see here a new product has been added, view shopping cart or continue shopping. I will click continue shopping, and same I will do it here. I will click add to cart. Please refresh the page. Okay, let me refresh. What is the issue in this? And below you can further find the details of the product, specifications and pictures. One thing you must keep in mind, please don't consider the product as per the pictures displayed here. It will have different, a bit different, because sometimes in pictures things like you can see are looking nice, but when you receive it is not that much nice, but you have to consider that because maybe picture is little bit photoshopped or something like that, improved with lighting and all those, but actual product will not be, it will be maybe dull or okay. This is added now, right. So, if I will go to view shopping cart, so here you can compare, right. If you see here, I have both the products, right. Sometimes there are coupons. So, save US6 of every 65 spent. So, if you have 65 dollars, you can claim this $6. Since we have less than 65, so we can't. And if you see here there is no maybe there you can claim coupon here. Anyway, we will not go into that detail. Okay. See here now, you can remove, you can add the quantity, whatever you want. Okay. Now, let us say for example, if you have shipping here 1 point, let us see, I am adding the quantity, it is adding this shipping cost as well, right. Okay. Now, once you will order, then you can go to my account. This is the account where you have your details. So, here you have my orders, message centers. Normally, you can communicate to your suppliers through message centers. So, let me go to my orders, how I can communicate to the suppliers. Okay. Let us say for example, I have a recent order like this, right. So, if you see here, this is my order ID and this is the supplier or store name in AliExpress, I will say, and this is our order amount, right, which I paid through my credit card. Okay. Now, this is the order time and this is contact seller. I will show you in a moment just to see the details. So, this is the product. Open dispute, if there is a problem with the supplier or product is damaged when you received it. So, you can open dispute with them, right. So, at the moment it is showing the status awaiting delivery, right. I booked this using my mobile phone. So, it is showing mobile order. Okay. If you see here, we have option of track order, confirm goods. So, once I will receive the goods, I will click this one and will confirm the products receipt. Okay. Now, if I click here, this is how you can track. Okay. This is global shipment and then depart country of origin. So, still it is in China, they have not yet shipped out of China. So, once it will arrive in your home country, then it will be in this status and then delivery successful with your feedback. If you see here, let me show you another order, because this is still at initial stage. So, you will not get that much detail. Okay, let me click this one. This is also new one. So, it is not having that status. So, this will help you. So, you do not need to worry. Okay, let me go a bit down. Okay, let me click this one. This is a bit older. It is just 2 or 3 days old orders, not that much. Okay, if you see here, so it is giving you the status, right. Shipment dispatched, shipment left country of origin, warehouse, shipment accepted by. So, once it will leave the origin country, then it will reach to your country and things like that. So, you can track over here, right. Okay. Now, if I go back and I will click here contact seller. So, if you click here contact seller, you can see these are your message center, right. So, automatically it will, your order details will come in this chat window and you can chat with your supplier. Chat in a sort of message, if they are available they will immediately reply you. So, if you see here it is showing you the status unread because this is just added, and China is GMT plus 8. So, you have to consider that. So, let us say for example, if we consider UAE time, so they are 4 hours ahead of UAE or Muscat time, right. Okay. This is how you can send messages. This is message center. Okay. Here on the top you can put filters to search your orders. Okay. Here you have on the left side refund and disputes. So, you can have refunds and disputes as well. Recently I had challenge with one of the order. My payment was deducted from my credit card, but in AliExpress it was showing that it is still not paid, although they received I mean say amount in their account, but in the order it was not linked or something like that. So, I had to report to them. I had some chat, you can click chat here, need help here. This is automated, some initial it will start automatic chatting, and then once it is not answered by the automated chat, then it will go to the next level to the assigned representative, right. Okay. Now, you have your coupons, manage feedback, deleted orders. I mean this is again as you like. Okay. Now, if I will see here, now here you have different products. So, you can further evaluate based on your requirement. You can put, okay, there is another one, sorting by. So, you can sort based on order, I mean number of orders or someone having it, they already shipped. So, there is a newest, there is a price. So, it is up to you now based on what criteria you want to search your products, right. Okay. Let us say for example, orders, right. So, down if you will move, you can see here the number of orders. So, now this product was sold 1287 times, right. So, here it is 820. So, here 651. Yeah. So, in this way you can also compare. So, if I will put it price, so if you see this is the lowest price of this search, I will say, I do not know what is inside, but you can search based on this. So, this is now 20, right. So, let me go inside this one, and if you see here, now this is what I was telling you. Now, these Chinese companies, they are playing in the shipping. So, here they reduce the price. If you see here, earlier it was 29 or 27, and here they increase the shipping, right. So, in search it will be the lowest, but if you will total it, because product is same, I mean they are not manufacturing, they are just selling it, right. Maybe this is same company and Samar or something like that. So, if you see here, that is it. So, it is 20, right, lowest is 20, and if I will click 8 channels, it will be more. See here, okay. Now, this is 13.65. Okay. Now, let me click buy, right. So, if you see here, this is the product, right. This was the price 20 plus 13 and 34. So, it is almost same, where shipping was free or it was 1 point something dollars, right. So, this you have to be very smart. They play with these things. Sometimes they are putting in shipping costs, sometimes different techniques. Yeah. Okay. By the way, I have used it. It's really secure shopping here and reasonable prices. I will not compare them with any, I will say, made in Japan or made in Germany or something like that, but these are really good based on price, and you can maybe purchase multiple times the same product. Uh, all are China made in China. Uh, Payment is secure. They give you tracking as well, and sometimes if you will find the same product selling in Amazon or eBay or somewhere, maybe 3 or 4 times price over here. So just imagine, so how much you have to spend there. Same product, because that is China, and maybe same DVR you will search there and it will be very expensive. So here if it is $20 or $30, it will be 100 plus there. So you can order from here. They have global shipping all over the world. uh, I think in US they have e-packet. See, if you see here, e-packet. So delivery is sometime within week or within 10 days. Other countries, let's say in Gulf, it takes around within 1 month. I will say within 1 month they deliver. It can be plus and minus, but normally within 1 month, right? So you have to consider that delivery time while ordering. Okay, so you can add in your cart. So once you will click here, it will show you the cart which we added. For comparison, you can compare here, then you can further decide whichever you want, which you want to remove. You can remove from here. It is up to you, right? So this is what I think AliExpress is, and you can do shopping over here. But keep in mind, this should be aliexpress.com. So if you are browsing something else, you have to be very careful with the URL. Okay, another thing is you can select your shipping to and currency. So it will give you in that currency prices. So let's say, for example, if you change the country, any country, so it will show you the shipping cost as per that country, right? So I think, and here you have the language as well. So you can select your language whichever you want. So it is up to you now, right? It has in Arabic as well, right? Okay, here there are categories. You can search based on categories. It is up to you. Let's say phone or accessories. Within phone or accessories, you can go inside further subcategories. So it is up to you. There are chargers and cell phones. I haven't purchased cell phones, anything like this. I will say expensive items, because I don't know exactly how the quality is, products, and I haven't purchased any. So I even don't recommend. It is up to you, whatever you want to buy. Yeah, I think that is enough. You can now explore further AliExpress. If you will have any question or concern, you can put in comments under the video, and we'll try to reply, and share your feedback, please. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.